Oh, snap, 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 snap. I just heard lightning. Where's it at? Guys, what was that? What is... Do you see anything?
Careful, Freddy. I can hear the thunder.
Well, hello, Freddy. Yes, I saw you, Freddy. No, I'm still recording, by the way. Is any lightning gonna come anytime soon?
You are lucky boy.
Please, guys. Oh wait. Oh wait, guys, you saw that, right? Did you see that lightning? Wait. Oh, Freddy, stop going outside and waving your arms like a psychopath. I'm getting myself cleaned. What did I look like? Alright, guys, Freddy, hold the camera and I'm gonna go outside and you guys are gonna see me. Okay. You guys will see me running, and if you see me somewhere... William, pull a scary face! Alright, I might. Oh my! He's coming back in. Only cry, guys. Do not try to go out in this weather. It is really wet. It's winning. Yeah. Guys, it's really wet. Have the camera back. Alright, thanks. If you guys hear any lightning or thunder, just tell me, please. Because I want... That might be some right now. Yeah, that was. Guys, I hope this will end soon. I'll be back in a minute. Dun-dun-dun. Freddy, what the flip are you doing? Freddy's just gonna go outside quickly. No! No! He's got me! He's got me! What the? What the flip just happened? He's got me. What the flip just happened, guys? Tried to kill me. All right. It literally grabbed me with his arm. I don't believe Freddy on a word he just said. So guys, this has just been like 5 or 10 minutes. And I think me and Dad, do you want to try out the fire?
Oh, it's a bit hot, my lovely.
All right. Fine then, guys, I'm going to go outside and Freddy is going to roll the tape. And I hope we don't get killed by that creature I saw. Anyway, guys. I'm gonna... No! Have you got... William? He's gone. I can't believe he's gone. He's actually gone. He's actually gone. I can't believe it, guys. End of my brother. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? You did nothing. I just found something outside. Did it pull you? No. Okay. I just found a stone. Cool. Okay, you. Alright, guys. This might be the end of the video. I know I've done 3 videos of. Wait, that was creepy. Wait. Guys, did you see this? It just turned red.
No,
anyway, I think that's enough for today's video. So, bye. This is probably going to be the last video I did on this rain thing. Wait. Oh my god. Where's that?